Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the chrome AeroSkin from Auto Vent Shade on this 2019 new body style GMC Sierra. Now this is the same installation for other AeroSkins. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now before we get started, make sure that the hood has been completely cleaned off, thoroughly cleaned from any kind of debris and dirt. Also make sure that we do this operation between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the AeroSkin and dry fit it for right now on top of the hood. Get it nice and centered, exactly where it's going to sit whenever it's stuck in place. Once that's in place, what we're going to do is have someone help you hold it in place while we take some tape and run it right along the back edge so we can outline where that hood shield is going to be. All right, now in your kit, you'll also have a couple of alcohol prep pads. We're going to open those up and use those to wipe down the surface of the hood that the AeroSkin is going to stick to and let that dry. Also in your kit, you're going to have a packet of surface prep. Now this is an adhesive promoter that we're going to apply where the 3M tape is going to actually be contacting the hood of the truck. All right, now that that's dry, we can go ahead and start peeling off our masking tape. Okay, now I've got the AeroSkin upside down so you can see the adhesive. I've gone ahead and peeled away the tape from the leading edges of the adhesive so that it's easy whenever I flip it over to pull it away from the bug shield so I can get proper adhesion to the hood. Let me go ahead and flip this around and carefully place it onto the hood. And make sure that it's nice and centered before I start bearing down. Okay, now we've got this in place. It's nice and centered. I'm going to start peeling away the adhesive protector, starting at the top in the middle of the shield. And pull away, working about a 6-inch strip at a time. And just work it in place. Now, as I move, I want to make sure that this does not change alignment on the end because I want to keep this straight. Okay, now you want to go back and make sure you bear down on all the areas where the adhesive is touching the hood to get a good, even bond. AVS recommends not to drive the truck for about 24 hours and don't wash the truck for about 72 hours after the installation is done. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.